Okay, so what you need so you don't go through the hassle of what I went through. So originally, I wanted to dress up or put a shark fin on my 2012 Nissan Leaf. So this is what I had removed, thinking that this was the best way based on a previous YouTube video that I had watched. What I discovered was I put myself through a whole lot of headache I did not need to. So I ordered one of these universal shark fins on eBay. For those of you that don't know, these things are hollow in the center. Phillips screws for whatever vehicle they might work with. Comes with a ring terminal on it. There. Okay. So, instead of taking this whole thing off, for those of you that don't know, this piece of the antenna can actually screw off. What I did was I actually cut off the portion that was broken with this spring that was inside of a rubber antenna piece. I cut that off with some wire snips. All you need is an 8mm wrench. All you need is an 8mm wrench. Fits perfectly on there, and you can just break this free because it's threaded. Yes, it is threaded. So to save yourself a whole lot of headache, this is all you would need to do. And if you want, you could probably put a washer on it, whatever. Put a washer behind that. Put that on there like so. This can rotate. So you could probably just lay that down like that. Tighten this up with your 8mm wrench. And pop this bad boy over to conceal it. Remove your double stick tape. Bada bing, bada boom. You're good to go. Yeah. That would have been a whole hell of a lot easier than taking down a portion of my headliner and bending a whole lot of stuff, had I had known. So yeah, if you want a cool looking shark fin on your Nissan Leaf, all you need is an 8mm wrench to loosen up that stubby antenna. You could crank that back down onto that ring terminal. Once you put a washer behind it, I would definitely put a washer behind it. Remove the double stick tape there and press fit that on, make sure it's lined up. You're good to go.